Take out the top cover module and the rear cover module. Arrange the hinge of the back plate of the top cover, but pay attention to the installation direction. Find the screws and nuts. Secure front and rear covers with 6 screws and 6 nuts. Secure front and rear covers with 6 screws and 6 nuts. Take the corresponding screw. Then the left panel corresponding to the screw hole position. Tighten the screw fix. Now let's rewind the fan and extender from the left buckle to the front. Install a small panel with a screw on each side. Corresponding hole position. Screw fastening. Put the top panel on. Take the corresponding screw. Align each hole position. To fasten with screws. Then connect the 2 strips of the side panel to the top cover. To fasten with a screw. Lift the machine. Secure the cable to the buckle. Put the shield on the machine. These 2 gear belts have to go through the hole in the tailgate. Open the shield. M4×22 screws found. The screws front and back. Tighten and fix. Bend through left plate hole. Tie the thread with a tie. Insert fan line into corresponding port of front axle. Raise side facing forward. Insert port. Cover the shield. Make sure the limit switch is triggered when the protective cover is closed. So, the machine is installed. I took out the power supply. Note that this power cord is 24 volts and cannot be connected to other machines. To energize the machine, power switch. Turn on the emergency switch. Start testing the machine.